Assalamu alaikum Ajyal kids. Let's go through farm animals. Are you ready? Let's start. Do you know what's this? It's a cow. Cow. What's this animal? It's a horse. Horse. Can you tell me what's this? It's a hen or chicken. Hen or chicken. Do you know what's this? It's a duck. Duck. What's this? It's a goose. Goose. What's this animal? It's a rabbit. Rabbit. What's this? It's a sheep. Sheep. What's this animal? It's a goat. Goat. Can you tell me what's this? It's a donkey. Donkey. What's this? It's a mouse or rat. Mouse or rat. What's this? It's a cat. Cat. What's this? It's a dog. Dog. What's this animal? It's a peacock. Peacock. Finally, what's this? It's a rooster. Rooster. Well done, Ajyal students. Thanks for participating. See you next video, inshallah.
Again. Again. Again.